guys. So today let's continue that part. So DBT will be having a it will give an automated documentation for each and every module in the code. Like whatever the code you write in the DBT, you can give the documentation. Like you can give some description for each and everything. That all the descriptions or all the steps, wherever you give the any kind of notes or descriptions in the entire code, it will automatically create a documentation for easier understanding purpose. Okay. So and open. So DBT is open source and compiles directly into transparent SQL. It's supported by a thriving and growing community. So it has very good community support also there, and it's directly compiled into a transparent SQL. So that's it's a very good added advantage for small scale industries, or you want to go with without open source tool. This is a very good tool for using the companies. Okay, with a very minimum budget. What it can do, DBT can help with designing, implementing and testing workflows for creating and populating data models, writing SQL based data pipelines, facilitating complex transformations, enhancing data modeling capabilities and reusing code, and using control structures in code. Okay, and scheduling jobs and deploying data. Okay, some of the features scheduling jobs and deploying data can be provided by DBT Cloud. Okay, in-house DBT Cloud can be provided. Okay, but if you want to do scheduling and deploying in DBT Core, you have to use some other tools to get this job done. Okay, so what are the DBT Cloud? Some other extra features are like Jinja SQL. As you said, it is a lightweight templating language that allows user to use control structures in their queries, and built-in tests. DBT Cloud includes built-in tests and simple job scheduling. So DBT Cloud includes simple job scheduling process also. Easy deployment. You can easily deploy using the DBT Cloud. But all these things can be done in DBT Core as well, using different tools for each and every stages. Okay. So what is the power of the DBT? So as a DBT user, your main focus will be on writing models. Okay, select queries. For example, the models means it's a select query that reflect core business logic. There is no need to write boilerplate code to create tables and views or to define the order of execution of your models. Instead, DBT handles turning these models into an object in your warehouse for you. Okay, and here are the features using DBT, like handle boilerplate code to materialize queries as relations. As I said, it will handle code to create a materialization, and use a code compiler. So SQL files can contain Jinja, a lightweight templating language. Using Jinja in SQL provides a way to use control structure in your queries. For example, if statements and for loops. It also enables repeated SQL to create through macros. Okay, so you have materialization so that the processing will be faster, and we have macros so that we can reuse, and also we have Jinja templating. You can write loops and if statements in a Jinja in a very simpler manner, so that the code will looks like very lightweighted code. Determine the order of model execution. Okay, so often when transforming data, it makes sense to do so in a staged approach. Okay, DBT provides a mechanism to implement transformation in stages through ref functions. Okay, so the ref functions is a very good concept in DBT. We can discuss that in our course. Rather than selecting from existing tables and views in your warehouse, you can select from another model. That is very good, so that we can use the reusable concepts. And document your DBT project. As I said, in DBT Cloud, you can auto-generate documentation when your DBT project runs. DBT provides a mechanism to write version control and save document for your DBT models. You can write descriptions in plain text or markdown for each and every model. Okay, even not just in DBT Cloud, in DBT Core also you can create it auto documentation. Okay, using the DBT coding, you can easily write a auto documentation. Okay, test your